you can do. So this is your, you need to do the UPSC of all these three. So you have revised the topic that I told you in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Please do it. Harith, any answer? You need to write the IUPAC of the following. Shahid, what is the answer for the third? Very good, Shahid. Faiza, will you be able to solve this? I have started this IUPAC as I have told you in the previous class. The topics of this haloalkanes and haloarenes. Faiza, am I audible? So I started from very basic. Organic, I started from NCERT. Questions from NCERT. If anyone get any doubt in the first question of IUPAC, just let me know. In the second question, you need to write the structures of the following compounds. Shahid, let me know when you are done with this. I will write the structure, then match it. Okay. Yeah. Harif, why are you not responding at all? Yes, Harif. C2H5 is ethyl. No answer. Faiza, are you there? Madiha, any answer for this one? This is quite easy. If you don't know how to write the IUPAC, just let me know. I'll explain. Am I audible clearly? Second subpart, this IUPAC. See, it's very easy. You need to write, you need to do the numbering first. And in numbering, double bond should get the lowest position. So either you can start numbering from here, either you can start numbering from here. Just let me show you. Either you can start numbering from here or either you can start numbering from here. Now, if you are going from the red one, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get. And if you are going to do from the this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this case, you will double bond will not be counted, so it is not possible. And in yellow color, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see yellow one and red one. In the red one, double bond getting the first position, and in color of yellow, you can see double bond is getting third position. So we need to give preference to the double bond, and that's why the numbering start from here. We count number of carbon. Don't do numbering from here because we don't count hydrogen. Now, according to this, you can see this is your branch and this is your branch. We write the IUPAC according to alphabet. So bromo B comes first. So we are going to write 3 bromo. And after this is CH3, which is methyl. So it will be 2 methyl. Then there is no branch. Hydrogen is not a branch. Okay. Then come to the parent chain. How many carbon? 4 carbon. Bute 4 carbon. And what is the position of double bond? 1. So bute 1 in, or directly you can write butene. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. Please go for that. Shahid, are you done with the this part? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. like the sub part of first question. I will let you know. Any answer for this one? Third one, sub part of first question. Third part of the first question, basically. Okay, I'm going to tell you this. No, Madiha, you cannot start numbering from here because there is one carbon which is before this carbon here. So you cannot jump in between two carbon to do numbering. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the branch is this and this. So the name will be 4-bromo, and then comes 3-methyl. There is no more branch, so come to the parent chain, 5 carbon, so pent 2-ene. Is that clear, everyone? Now come to the next question, which is very easy. We need to write the structure of the following compounds. To write the structure of any organic compound, what we need to do, just focus on the, just wait a minute, someone has said, okay. Okay, Tariq, I will check it. Just focus on the parent chain first. So what is the parent chain in the first question? 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane. That means you need to write 5 carbons, C, 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 C. Now this is your 5 carbon, and according, let's say, I'm just assuming the numbering to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the second carbon, 2-chloro. So I'm going to write 2-chloro and 3-methyl. So 3-methyl CH3 and 3-methyl pentane. So this will be the structure. I'm going to, the rest bond will be satisfied by hydrogen. Since this carbon is making only one bond, so there will be 3 hydrogen. This carbon is making 3 bonds, so there will be 1 hydrogen. So, and hence this carbon is making 2 bonds, so 2 more hydrogen to satisfy its bonding. So this will be the structure for the first one. Now see, for the second one, what will be the structure? What will be the structure? 1-chloro, 4-ethyl cyclohexane. First of all, hexane, that means 6 carbon, and cyclo, that means it is in cyclic structure. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, and here it comes 6. Since it is cyclic structure, so its name start with cyclohexane. Now what we need to do? Just number it as usual. If you want to start from here, you can do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the question, it has been written 1-chloro, so give 1-chloro, 2, 3, 4, ethyl. That means CH2, CH3, or you can write C2H5 directly at the place of this. So this will be the structure of the second. Now the third one is very important because in the question it used a common name. So what we need to do is very easy. We need to focus first on the parent chain heptane. So what I'm going to do, heptane, that means 7 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since N is there, that's why I kept single bond between carbon carbon. If there is double bond, initially I wrote it, I will write it single bond, and according to the position, I will do the doubling of the bond. Now 7 carbon here it is. Now I'm gonna do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 iodo. That means at third carbon there is iodine, and at fourth carbon tertiary butyl. Butyl, do you know what is butyl? Butyl is basically, just wait a minute, I'm going to write it upward. Butyl is 4 carbon and it should be tertiary. So how you are going to write it? It's very, very simple. CH3, CH3, and then here comes CH3. So you can see this structure has 4 carbon and used as substituent, so it is butyl, and this is your tertiary butyl. You can see you just need to focus on this part. So this is tertiary because this is connected to 1, 2, 3 carbon. Okay. Is that clear, everyone? Please do write it. Tertiary butyl, secondary butyl. Butyl, that means 4 carbon, and tertiary, that means there should be a carbon which is tertiary 3 degree. Just write it and then let me know. I'll move to the next question. Everyone done with this? Where are you? 3, Tharif, the first one is wrong in nomenclature. The second one is correct. The third one is also correct. I'm going to write the name of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the name will be 4-bromo. Then no other branch. So pent 2E. Is that clear? Everyone done with this? Why are you not responding today?
So still doing so.
Okay, okay. Thank you for the response. Just let me know when everyone is done with this. Faiza Madiha. Very good. Okay. So if you have understood the tertiary butyl, then I am expecting a correct answer for this. Just wait a minute, please. Just wait. 1 bromo, 4 secondary butyl, 2 methyl benzene. Savage, why did you join late?
Sir, I forgot today was class day.
Oh, I forgot.
Sir, can just scroll up. I will just take this.
I will do that. First, you need to write the structure of this. After writing this, just let me know. I will scroll up. So I'm going to write the structure. Whenever you have given to, whenever you need to do the structure, what you need to do, focus on the parent chain, benzene. So everyone knows how to write the structure of the benzene. This is your benzene. Now numbering is there, so you can take from anywhere 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At first carbon, there is bromo. And at fourth carbon, secondary butyl. Butyl, that means 4 carbon will be there, but this should be secondary. So you can see this is your secondary butyl. To the carbon that is connected to the benzene should be secondary. Secondary, that means this is your 2 degree secondary. Is that clear, everyone? Can I change the slide?
So there's also two methyl right missing question CS3.
What did you say?
So in the second question, there's methyl right CS3.
1 bromo, 4, 2 methyl is there. So CH3 you have to put. I forgot to say this. Okay. Okay, Savage, I'm gonna pull up. Just take a screenshot of this. I have given today's question from NCERT. Are you done with this screenshot? This much. Okay.
Second,
Savage, done with this screenshot? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay. Moving to the Next question. I started this chapter with NCERT. Okay. Haloalkanes, haloarenes. In the previous class, I had announced that. I'm gonna give you a question. Arrange the following in increasing order of CX bond length. I'm gonna write it. Please do it. Shahid.
Sir,
Shahid CH3F. Is this answer for or is this for first one? Bond length.
Yeah, for bond length.
See, this is very basic questions from NCERT class 11th. You have studied chemical bonding as well. Okay, so always remember, you know that if atomic size increases, then bond length also increases. Yes or no? Shahid. So you can see fluorine is the smallest one, so it should have the lowest bond length, and hence the answer will be this. Because iodine is largest in size, so it will have the largest bond length. Okay. Everyone getting my point? Everyone is so low today. I don't know why. No interaction. Answer. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, go for the question number second.
Sir, bond enthalpy means bond energy.
Yes, exactly.
एकदम अच्छा है एकदम देख लो
See, always remember this concept. Bond strength or bond energy inversely proportional to bond length. If the bond length is larger, then it can be easily breakable. So the answer will be, this will have the largest bond energy like this. Is that clear? Because due to larger bond length, force of attraction decreases and it can be broken easily. Okay, moving to the next question. Does anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to give you question from, I already told you today's question will be from NCERT most probably. If you will be able to solve all of this, then I will raise the level. The next question. This is your question. This is the reactant, you can see, just wait. And you need to tell me the product. What will be the product? And also name the reaction. What is the name of the reaction? Any answer? Very easy question. Very easy. Have you heard of Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, you know, if there is double bond, alkene, and if you are going to treat this with HBr, then this is your Markovnikov.
Okay.
This is your Markovnikov. And if you are going to treat an alkene with HBr in the presence of peroxide, then this is your anti-Markovnikov. Anti-Markovnikov. Now see what happens. In Markovnikov, in this HBr, you know that this H plus hydrogen is less electronegative, it is positive, and this is more electronegative than hydrogen, that's why negative. So in Markovnikov, negative part go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen, along double bond, across double bond. So basically, according to Markovnikov, negative part will go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen, and hydrogen positive will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. Simple. So you are not, if you are watching this, you can see this is also, you can see three double bond. You are not going to break that double bond because it is benzene, and benzene is aromatic compound. Aromatic compound is very, very stable. It will not be easily breakable. There are extreme condition to break this, okay, bond. So there is, outside this benzene, there is double bond. So this is negative, this is positive. You can see negative part will go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen, and this has greater number of hydrogen. So the product will be, benzene will be as it is. Now you can see this becomes single bond, hydrogen is there, then bromine comes here, and then it becomes two hydrogen was already there. Now this hydrogen will come. Is that clear, everyone? Very good. Can I change the slide?
It's noting.
Okay, note it down. Then I'm going to give you another question. Let me know when you are done noting with this.
Here is Marconico anti-Marconico.
What are you saying, Harif?
Here is this Marconico anti-Marconico.
See, this is your Markovnikov, the one which I have written with white. Okay. Anti-Markovnikov is just opposite of Markovnikov. That means negative part will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Madhya, are you done with this?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna give you just wait a minute. Always remember this. If you are not able to recognize the reaction, you will not able to do that. So whenever you see a reaction, try to recognize the reaction. What is the reaction? First, you need to recognize the reaction, then apply the method. Any answer?
Yes.
Which what is the name of the reaction? Anti-Markovnikov. So in anti-Markovnikov, what we do? It's very simple.
ER will attach to CH.
Yeah, this is your negative, this is your positive. So negative will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen, and this will go, and the rest part will be as it is. This is your benzene. The rest part CH, one hydrogen will also come here. It becomes single bond, and then CH2Br. So I think it's very, very easy, right? Now I'm going to give you a question. Reaction from NCERT. Let's see how many of you can solve this. I'm waiting. Just write the answer, and I will write the solution answer as well. Match it if you go it wrong. Let me know then. Everyone done with all this reaction?
Fine.
Should I write the answer? Faiza, Madiha, Tharif, Shahid, Shavez. Okay, I'm going to write the answer. See, if you are going to react alcohol with SOCl2, this OH will be replaced by chlorine. This OH will be replaced by chlorine. Now see, this will be the main product. The byproduct will be SO2 plus HCl. These are byproduct. We need to focus on the major product. Now, if you are going to react this with HCl and alcohol, this OH will be replaced by again chlorine. So the product will be, you can see, this cannot be replaced because it is in resonance. Phenol is there. So this will be replaced. Now, if you want to react this with CH3, CH2, Br, NaI, Finkelstein reaction, you just need to replace this Br with I and you will get it. If you are going to react with this, then Br will be either at this carbon and this carbon. So we need to write the major product. So secondary bromide will be the major product. Yeah, this NO2 will be as it is. And then this hydrogen will be, one of the hydrogen will be replaced by bromine. So this will be the product. Now again, if you are going to do this, now you can see there is double bond and there is HI. This is again Marconi-Cove. So the double iodine, which is negative, will go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen, and hydrogen will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. Now, if you are going to react this, you can see Br2. Br2, basically, this is your halogenation reaction. So this will go like this. Okay, this will be the major product. All the answers are correct or wrong? Please do let me know.
What is it called? क्या हुआ?
पता नहीं। Everyone done with this? Yes or no? Please do respond.
Sir, just a second.
Okay.